Hey, so if you've set up Calendly and you're wondering how to actually share your meeting link, yeah, it's super simple. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to share your Calendly link so people can book meetings with you instantly. First thing, log into your Calendly account. Make sure you're on the correct profile that has your event set up. Next, go to your event type. So, this is the meeting you created, like a 15-minute call or a 1 hour meeting. All right? Click on your event and copy the booking link. I mean, this is the link people will use to schedule time with you. Now share that link anywhere. You can send it on email, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, or even Instagram DMs. Next, add it to your bio or website. So this makes it easy for people to book you without asking. All right? You can also create a button that says book a meeting. I mean, this looks more professional and increases bookings. And yeah, always test your link. Make sure it opens correctly and shows your available time slots. So that's how you share your Calendly link for meetings. Once you share it, people can book you anytime without messaging back and forth.